Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. I thought I would do an in-person intro because the piece that you're about to see is turned out amazing. I love crazy color combinations and I've been working on trying to pick out colors for my living room and have not succeeded. I have several videos where I've been testing colors and have not liked the results, or James hasn't liked the results, my boyfriend. And today I think we are both happy with the colors. He's not so sure about the technique. It's a chaos Dutch pour. I love it, and my daughter loves it, and she's very picky too. So we'll see what happens. And I feel like I haven't painted in so long. I've been doing a lot of resin work. I have created quite a few coaster sets and have been practicing my resin work on those. And oh my goodness, it's not easy. Not easy. So I've been doing that, and I've been doing a couple of tumblers, which again have caused me more stress than anxiety relief. So I have stopped with the tumblers and am back to just doing fluid art, which today gave me all of the confidence in the world that this is exactly what I need to be doing. So I hope you enjoy this chaos Dutch pour, and tomorrow's piece will be with the same colors in just a regular Dutch pour with a split base canvas, and that's what James wants. So we'll see how that one turns out. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell. Leave me a comment down below on what you think of this piece. Check out the next video that's coming up and let me know what you think of that piece. Which technique should I do for the large canvases that I have set aside for my living room? I have two, I think they're 36 by 24 inch canvases. I want to put them together in a diptych. I'm not sure if I'm going to do them side by side or top and bottom. However, that's the plan. So which technique should I do? The one on this video or the one on the next video? Thanks everyone. Enjoy. Hi everyone, Amy again here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. Wow, that intro video was definitely an early morning. I was looking a little rough. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so very much for your continued support. I know I can do intro videos like that anytime and not ever be judged by any of you. So thank you so much for that. To follow my mental health journey, my art journey, my nursing journey, follow me on Instagram at anxiousamy_IG. Today's canvas is on a 20 by 24 inch gallery wrapped artist loft canvas. I'm loving this size. My colors are Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet, Amsterdam Sky Blue Light, Amsterdam's Permanent Red Purple, Amsterdam's Cobalt Blue, Amsterdam's Permanent Blue Violet. This is Pebeo's Primary Magenta with Galeria Iridescent Medium. Some DecoArt Deep Sapphire. DecoArt's White Pearl. And some Montmartre Titanium White. Okay, so I will speed this up. I will add in some more music, and I hope you enjoy. And here it is, all dry. It stayed absolutely bold and absolutely beautiful. I love the deep sapphire cells that popped through, as well as the movement is just absolutely amazing. It looks so 3D. It jumps out at me. It's definitely more than I could have ever expected. I have convinced James that we are going to be doing this technique in these colors for my 2 large canvases for in our living room. I'm so excited. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell, because I will be doing those canvases as videos here on this channel. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear what you all think of today's piece. Take care, everybody. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!